If you've gotten a big glob of sap on your clothes, start by putting the clothing in the freezer or setting an ice pack on the stain for a few minutes. This will cause the sap to harden, so you can scrape it off more easily. Use a dull butter knife or a spatula to carefully pry and chip the cold sap off of your clothes. When you've gotten as much of the sap off as possible, gently rub the stain with a cotton ball or a clean rag soaked in rubbing alcohol. You might need to do this a few times to get most of the stain out. Finally, wash the item the way you normally would. Use regular laundry detergent and set the washing machine to the hottest setting you can without damaging your clothing. If you don't have rubbing alcohol, try treating the stain with a commercial stain remover or a paste made of 1 part water and 1 part powdered laundry detergent instead. Let the mixture sit on the stain for 20 to 30 minutes before washing your clothing with regular detergent and hot water. Regular detergent is usually enough to get sap stains out of clothes, but if the stain is really stubborn, add a little bleach to your laundry detergent. Check the label on the item and make sure bleach is safe to use. If not, spritz the stain with a few drops of non-sudsy ammonia after you wash it and see if that helps. Wash the item again when you're done to get the ammonia out.